Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily download a playlist on Spotify. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Spotify, go to library, and then I'm going to see like the playlist here, right? So what you want to do is just simply hold a playlist, and right automatically there is going to appear like what do you want to do with the playlist. And now I get to see download here. So let's click download. And now, as you can see, it's downloading the segment, right? And right now I can simply like listen to the songs, and yeah, that's pretty much it how you do it. So you hold and you got it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down on comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.